In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Loom not letting me record. This issue can be frustrating, but together we will walk through the steps to resolve it. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Loom. In the search results, look for the official Loom website. It's essential to ensure that you are on the correct site to avoid any potential security risks. Once you find the official link, click on it to navigate to Loom's homepage. This is where all the action begins, and you will see the familiar layout of Loom. Knowing where to start is crucial for a smooth experience. Next up, log into your Loom account. You will see an option to log in at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials, including your email and password. If you have forgotten your password, there is a recovery option available. Logging in is vital because it gives you access to your recordings and settings. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to your Loom dashboard where you can manage your recordings. Now, if you are on Loom's free starter plan, be aware that there are strict recording restrictions. You can only record up to 5 minutes per video and store a maximum of 25 videos in your workspace. This limitation can prevent you from recording if you have reached your quota. To resolve this, you can either delete some of your existing videos or consider upgrading your plan for more features. Understanding these limits helps you plan your recording sessions effectively. After checking your plan, an alternative step is to open an incognito or private window in your browser. This mode allows you to browse without the influence of cached data or cookies. Once in this window, log into your Loom web dashboard again. Try clicking the download button or starting a recording. If it works in this mode, it indicates that the issue may be with your main browser settings. This step is crucial as it isolates the problem, making it easier to identify the cause. If recording works in incognito mode, the next task is to clear your main browser's cookies and disable any conflicting privacy extensions. Cookies can sometimes interfere with website functionality. Navigate to your browser settings to find the option for clearing cookies and site data. Disabling privacy extensions is also vital as they can block Loom from accessing your camera and microphone. This step ensures that Loom can function correctly, and you can start recording without interruptions. At this point, if Loom still won't let you select your camera or microphone, your computer or browser might actively be blocking it. This is a common issue, but it can be resolved with a few checks. Pay attention to the settings in your browser and ensure that Loom has permission to use your camera and microphone. This permission is essential for any recording to take place. Next, look at the left side of your browser address bar. You will notice a padlock or a sliders icon next to the Loom URL. This icon indicates the security settings for that particular site. Click on it to reveal a menu where you can manage permissions. This step is important because it allows you to directly adjust the settings that affect your recording capabilities. Finally, click on the padlock or sliders icon right next to the Loom URL. Make sure that both the microphone and camera permissions are toggled to allow. After adjusting these settings, refresh the page. This action ensures that your changes take effect immediately. With everything set up correctly, you should now be able to record smoothly on Loom. By following these steps, you can tackle the issues preventing Loom from letting you record. If you encounter any further problems, revisiting these steps can often help. Happy recording!